Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code Jiffy. Today we are going to learn about comparator interface in Java. Uh, so let's cover some theory part about comparator interface. So let's proceed. Uh, Here I have some lines about comparator interface. So let's dive into that. The comparator interface in Java is used to define custom comparison logic for objects. Unlike the comparable interface, which is typically used to define a natural order for objects within a class, whereas the comparator interface allows us to create multiple ways to compare objects. Okay, this comparator interface is particularly useful when we want to sort objects in different ways without modifying their original class. Fine friends. Now let's see comparator interface in practical. Here I do have one class with name comparator demo. So let's write to start code in this class. Okay friends, so let's proceed. Now let's create one class with name person, which will be our default class. Class person. Let's define the fields of person in class person. Okay, so I am initializing uh, string to variable name. I am defining string with variable name, and later on define age of the person with data type integer with name variable name age. Okay, now let's create constructor of class person. Right click source and generate constructor using fields. Click on generate constructor using fields. Okay, click on generate. Okay friends, now friends, let's generate getters. Generate getters. Select getters only. Click on select getters and only get age, and select only age parameter. Click on generate. Okay, and now let's generate toString method. Click on source, generate toString method. Click on generate. Okay, so friends, here our toString method is ready. Now let's go into main class and create one array list with name people. Okay, so let's proceed friends. New array list diamond operator constructor semicolon import the class ArrayList. Click on ArrayList, click on ArrayList and select import ArrayList. Okay, now let's go into left side, write the name of the interface as a list. Person, class name is person and list name is people. Okay, click on list and click on import list interface. We have imported list interface here. Okay, now friends, let's add some person with their some persons with their name and age in this list. So people dot add new person, name of the person is Elias, age of the person is 25. Okay, now let's copy line number 17 and paste it 2 times to add 2 more persons. Okay, now just change the name here, person name here. I am writing the person name as Robert. Robert age is 30. And third person name is David. Okay, and his age is 20. Okay, let's save the code. Now friends, let's create a custom parameter based on age. Okay, so let's do write code for that. New comparator, new comparator, class name is person, let's come into left side, write interface name comparator, class name as person, and we are creating custom comparator for age, hence right here age comparator. Okay, import interface comparator. Cannot instantiate the type comparator person because we have missed here the curly brackets. Sorry. Okay friends, now we will have to add the unimplemented method here, compare. Okay, so let's right click on source, override implement methods, click on override implement methods and select method compare, which has been already selected here. So just click on OK, delete it. Now we have to pass the parameters here: person1, person and person2. Okay, now let's write the code for return statement. What we want in return? We want in return integer dot compare person1 get age. Person1 dot get age select the method. Comma person2 dot get age. So friends, we have implemented compare method, we have implemented here compare method. Okay, uh, now let's sort the list using the custom comparator. Okay, now let's call the sort method using collections class. From collections class, collections dot sort pass the parameters as people, comma age comparator, semicolon. Import the collections class, collections interface, sorry. Now let's write code to get an output to the console as people sorted by age. Okay, pass the message as people sorted by age. And let's use enhance for loop to get our sorted list of people by age. Okay, so let's proceed. For person, variable name is person, class name is people, sorry, not class name, object name is people, and write the code to get output and pass the variable person. Okay, so friends, we have done with our code is complete now. And let's revise our code once again. For our better understanding, we have to revise our code once again. Okay friends, so let's proceed. Friends, in this code example we have a person class with name and age. We have a this person class with name and age, and we want to sort a list of person objects by age. Okay, and then we create a custom comparator by defining an anonymous inner class that implements the comparator interface. Okay, the compare method is overridden to specify the comparison logic based on this compare method has been overridden, okay, to specify the comparison logic based on age. Okay friends, then we sort the list of person objects using the custom age comparator. This is our custom age comparator. Okay, this is, and finally we are now going to print the list of people sorted by age. So friends, let's run our code. So we have get our sorted list of people by their age. Okay, so friends, this is all about comparator interface in Java. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code GV. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding.